Hello. So in this video, we're looking at how to expand expressions like this when the power is a fraction, and specifically in this case, a negative fraction. Although it doesn't really make any difference whether it's positive or negative. We do the same thing. So the deal here is very similar to if we had a negative integer. We just need to think about what x and n are and plug them into the formula and then simplify. So if we give that a go, our x here is just x. Yeah, it's not anything complicated like 3x or minus 2x or anything. And our n is the minus 2/3, this power up here. So then, using this formula, we're going to plug these into this. So we're going to start off with 1, this one here. Then we're going to add nx, so minus 2/3 of x. You don't really need to put a brackets here, but you may as well. Then we're going to get n, which is minus 2/3. And then n minus 1. So if you do minus 2/3 and you take away 1, you're going to get minus 5/3. Another way to think about that is you're taking away 3/3, because 1 whole is 3/3. And on the bottom we have 1 times 2, which is just 2. And then we have the x squared. And then for the next one, we'd do minus 2/3 times minus 5/3. And it would also have minus 8/3. And the bottom would have 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6. And we're going to squeeze in here an x cubed. Okay. Then we just go through and simplify all of that down. So here we have a 1. Then we have minus 2/3 of x. This one I'd probably just put into calculator if I were you, but it's going to end up giving us 5/9 of x squared. This one again, I'd put in the calculator, but it ends up giving us 40/81 x cubed. And that's it. We've expanded it. So then the last thing we need to do is find the range of values it's valid for. And just to remind you, our expression was 1 plus x, the minus 2/3. But really, this is just the same as we've done in the previous video so far. We just say that it's valid when the modulus of x is less than 1. And there's no need for us to rearrange that or anything. So that's it. We're all done. So I hope that's made sense. If you have any questions, let us know down in the FAQ. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thanks.